YouTube has some tools that allow us to make lessons more interactive. To get started with those, go to your account icon in the upper right, click on the account icon, choose Creator Studio. Once you're in Creator Studio, click on the Video Manager to open it up. Look through your videos to find the video you are interested in adding cards to. Once you find the video you want to work on, you have two ways to approach it. You can click Edit, or you can click the drop-down menu. Let's start with the drop-down menu and notice that Cards is one of the options. If I go through the Edit menu, I can still get to Cards. It appears at the top bar. Click on Cards. I'm going to pause my video so that it's not playing. And what I'm able to do is take the slider and move it to the point in the video where I want the card to appear. Once I have the slider in place, click Add Card. You are able to add video or playlist cards, channel cards, donation cards, poll cards, or link cards. School accounts will not have the option for a donation card. Link I do not have enabled, and that is because you have to enable your channel for monetization or to make money. So a lot of schools aren't going to turn that on. We'll start with video or playlist. Click Create, and then I'm able to simply grab a video that I want to use. I choose the video, click Create Card, and what I now have is a little link that will pop up showing the information to get to that card. If I take my timer back before the card and let it play, you notice that now the little I box pops up and I can click and go to the link of the other video. You are able to add up to 5 cards per video. I'll click Add Card. For channel, if you have another channel that you wanted to promote, maybe you have a channel as a teacher that you want to share or point the kids to with specific information, you could point them there by typing in the username and the message. Click Create to add a poll card. Enter your question and the choices that you would like to use, and click Create the card. What's going to happen is when they get to that point in the video, again, you'll see the little eye light up, and they're able to come in and say what has happened. Notice that you will start to see the results as they click in the poll. The link is not enabled. If it should be enabled on the test, it will simply be a matter of clicking Create and following the instructions to add the link. Once you have cards involved, if we go to the left sidebar and click on Analytics, if you go all the way to the bottom of the analytics, because there are lots of different analytics you can look at for your YouTube channel. But I'm going to click on Cards, and you can start to see card clicks. And you can look through card types, through video, and look at what is your progress. So if you have students doing an assignment, this is a great way to see what's happening, what are they clicking, what are their poll results. If I needed to edit a card, I need to head back to the Video Manager and go the same way I did before, either the drop-down menu in Cards or Edit. And to edit a card, you'll notice that there's a little pencil, so I can click that pencil and I could come in and swap out the video or playlist. Notice I could have added special text. For polls, once somebody has taken the poll, you will start to see the responses. So I'm going to delete this one, and we'll put a poll back in with Create. I'm going to create the card. Notice that before anyone takes the poll, you will have the ability to edit, but once the poll has been taken for the first time, you lose the edit ability. I also always have the ability to delete under Edit by using the trash can. The other feature of YouTube is the live streaming section. You will not be asked to run a live stream on the test, and the reason for that is that you have to set up encoding software. There is a set of steps here on the live streaming that you would have to perform before you could do a live stream. Just be familiar with the fact that you have to set up encoding software. You would add the information about what you were going to be doing live. It shows you different little settings that you're able to do to adjust how well it plays. I could even set up cards into the live stream at that point. And once I had everything set up, I could go live. Once a stream is live, there will be a live chat where people can speak to each other. This is a little different than Google Hangouts on Air, which is the retired version. With Google Hangouts on Air, there was no need to set up the software to make it all work. It just worked seamlessly through Google Hangouts. So be aware of the difference between the two.